I'm new to trading and constantly wondering where to start. Maybe I already tried but didn't succeed. So today I will try to help you and walk you through a very interesting and, in my opinion, quite reliable trading method, step by step. So, guys, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Let's get to the main and most important part of this video, in my opinion, is the analysis and adjustment of indicators. So first of all, we will need fractal bands with period 14 and exponential moving average with period 25 and oscillator RSI with period 14. And also we do not change here the overbought and oversold areas, that is to have below them also with values 70 and 30. So today we'll use a strategy of the gap, and in our strategy there will be two main points. So we'll use the upper and lower fractal sample, and if we want to use the sample of the top fractal, then we are interested in the following conditions for entry. Well, what is that? First of all, we fix the break. And at the moment of the break, we should observe the moving average. And our price must be higher than the given sliding. And only then we can open a deal for an increase. Well, next, to avoid false signals, we should look at the oscillator first of all, yeah, and if it shows movement upwards, and it's even better if the movement is above the average. We have an area of 50, and in this range from 50 to 70 is actually the trend force expressed. And if we fix that, we can brave deal for upward direction. So, and in the case we are opening position for sale, we will fix any intersection. And but in this video we will certainly look for the bottom strip gap. And yeah, let's look at this one, which is a top down breakdown. And what is it next? Also, the price. In this case, yeah, we are interested in this fact that is below the sliding, and actually here all these conditions are met. And also we record the behavior of the oscillator, and at the moment of entry it is below the area with a value of 50, thus showing us the strength of the trend. And here we can open a trade on the downside. So today only transactions will be opened by this way, and we'll discuss this method because it's very simple and in most cases very effective. And this is why we should also not forget about the analysis of the charts. Already done this, and before you, all currency pairs with the most stable movement and character and maximum interest on payouts. This also plays a very important role in trading, and also the correct timing on of the trade. So in my case, I will open in deals for 1 minute of the expiration, and I'm doing analysis on 1 minute of time frame. And this strategy can also used in opening deals up to 5 minutes of the expiration. Anything more is not suitable for us. We can start from a 1 minute and finish in 5 minutes. Well, let's fix this part, theoretical part, to practice and open up some deals. And let's start and select the first currency pair in order to make the entry for the most optimal point. Well, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group, and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too. So I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So, guys, now let's get back to trading. And let's open the first deal here. We're detecting a strong downward trend. The opening occurs at the crossing of the lower fractal line, and the test is from top to bottom. And as you can see, all conditions while opening are met. The price is below the moving average, and we also record accelerator behavior. We see the intersection of the main value and the tendency of the sliding line into the overselling area. So here we are low in 1 minute to open a trade at a down. So and we watch the result. And the first deal is simply close and plus. Great result. Let's find the next entry point. I think it was pretty clear here, so let's continue the analysis and find the next currency pair. And right here is the deal. We can open to downward direction. What can we see here? Yeah, so it's the lines of fractal, the lower fractal. So same as in the previous transaction, right? So of course there is very strong volatility, but nevertheless, all the conditions for entry point are met. So and at the time of opening, we see a gap, and also the price is below the um, sliding line, and we also fix the intersection of the mean value on the oscillator and a sharp tendency to oversell. So here we allow the opening of a trade at a discount. So watch the result. Excellent. So the trade also closes in plus. Just great result. Let's open another deal for the end of the video. Let's continue and select the next currency pair. And here the opening of the trade also occurs to downward. There was no entry point for buying on selected assets, but nothing terrible. The principle remains unchanged. And we're gonna highlight the working area again, and I will show you that at this moment, if you watched the video carefully, there's a bottom stripe break, and also we record that the price is below the moving line at the opening time, and here's an intersection of average value, and also the pursuit of a sliding line into the oversold area. So the moving line shows us a strong dynamic in the trend, and the last seconds remain. And the trade also closes confidently in plus without any problems, guys. So actually, at this result, let's probably approach to the logical conclusion. And I think in general, I was able to explain everything in detail, and no question will arise from you. So let's record today's profit and move into the withdrawal tab. Let's get out about $750. Well, just press this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, the withdrawal operation is successfully carried out. So this is the trade for today, guys. So guys, the tutorial is coming to the end, and I hope that the material was as informative and engaging for you as possible. And as I promised, I explained everything in detail, and I hope that you won't let yourself down. Well, guys, if you have any questions about this video, you can find my Telegram and all the necessary links in the description of this video. So go there, you can text me, and I will try to take my time to help you and find answers for you. So I hope that I could make this video as useful as possible, and you will give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So I'm Rachel. See you.